Developed from the Lockheed Martin X-35, the F-35 fighter is probably the most sensational military jet of the 21st century. In 2006, the production of the F-35 began with Lockheed Martin being the contractor and manufacturer. Northrop Grumman and BAE Systems were both contracted to supply components for the project. The F-35 project is funded by the United States and some of its allies, including the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Italy, Norway, Denmark, and the Netherlands. The F-35 is also technologically advanced and is currently the pinnacle of aircraft technology. We think the F-35 is the coolest fighter jet ever to take flight, and here's why. Armed to the teeth. The F-35 is equipped with loads of internal weapons for operations, and unlike most combat aircraft, the F-35 doesn't require extra equipment. These weapons do not interfere with the fighter jet's stealth. The most versatile fighter. Most combat aircraft are specified in their functions and operations. There are aircraft made mainly for a ground attack like the Sukhoi Su-25, Ilyushin Tu-2, Grumman A-6 Intruder, and the Republic P-47 Thunderbolt. Other fighter jet classifications include bombers, heavy fighters, light fighters, interceptors, reconnaissance fighters, and all-weather fighters. The stealthiest jet yet. The F-35 has an empty weight of 29,300 pounds, but its weight doesn't interfere with its supersonic speed and stealth. From the beginning of the project, the F-35 has been designed as a stealth fighter. Currently, the fighter is in its 5th generation, and the stealth technology keeps getting more advanced. Built with a threat library. The F-35 has an intricate system that helps it identify threats like enemy aircraft and incoming fire. There's a threat library, and this repository helps the fighter identify threats in major parts of the world where a threat is expected. Advanced data collection and sharing method. Another point in the F-35 fighter's scoreboard is its advanced data collection and sharing methods. The F-35 uses the Multifunction Advanced Data Link, MADL, to securely transfer large amounts of data collected by sensors. System response capabilities. The F-35 uses an advanced electronic warfare suite, a not applicable SQ-239 built by BAE Systems to identify, monitor, analyze, and respond to threats. BAE Systems' electronic warfare suite also provides the F-35 with a 360 degrees view of the combat space and surroundings. Less expensive than its peers. Notorious for being very expensive, what many people do not know about the F-35 is that it's less expensive than most of its peers. An estimate carried out by the Congressional Research Service in 2018 marked the price of an F-35 fighter produced in 2020 at $87.1 million. HMDS technology. With the DAS, friendly and enemy aircraft locations cues are tracked and made available to the pilot. However, the HMDS is not yet perfect, so it might take a while to get to the Air Force for service. The F-35 fighter's helmet-mounted display system, HMDS, provides pilots with an unrivaled level of situational awareness. Also, the HMDS displays important flight and weapons system data in the pilot's helmet visor. Images from the night vision camera and the distributed aperture system, DAS, are projected on the visor.